Meet Jared, the new guy in the house. He's cool. He's book smart. Meet Joey. He's new. He's got a sword. He's also got a harmonica. Meet Hector. He's a new pool guy for the new guys. He's a sociopath. He's also manic depressive. Remember, stay away from the deep end, guys. Hey, I got shoes. Together, the new guys. The new guys. Book smart. Book smart. New guys. The new guys. What up?